Hello guys, this is one of the best customer. Hello guys, this is one of the best custom loan forever. This is Project Infinity X custom loan, latest under 60 version. Latest under 16 version update. Very smooth and stable custom ROM forever. This is one of the most underrated mobile realme 7 5 years old device still running on the latest 16 version. Lot of customization, lot of features. This device for our large screen theming, wallpapers, font styles, fonts, icon shape, navigation bar tile, device scoping, Google Photos Unlimited, gaming only, higher FPS unlocking features available this ROM, Snapchat scoping, Netflix scoping, lock screen settings, constant color theming, color change after apply, boom, theming, sorry, apply, boom, themed icons. Unlimited photo studio available. Opening closing speed, also available speed opening. Play Store by default certified. By default certified device. The lot of features available this ROM were most flexible, very smooth, very minimal stable custom ROM. One of the best custom ROM forever. Looking so good, latest software updates.